So here's a vehicle listing that we got a bid on. Very nice bid, $89,500, but the reserve on this vehicle was $90,000, so we're not quite there yet. So we have a choice here. Accept the bid, we can reject the bid, or we can hand sell it to somebody else. So let's imagine that we're rejecting this bid because we think it's really worth $90 and we were hoping to get $95. So I'm just going to go ahead and reject it. And you can see that bid was rejected. Now I can go in and edit, and I can go over here to this hand sell button, pick the person I want to sell it to. We'll sell it to Mr. Pays Too Much, and we'll hand sell it to that person. And the next question is, how much do I want to sell it for? Let's say Mr. Pays Too Much agreed to $92,000. So I can just put $92,000, sell now, and the vehicle's now sold to that person. And from here we can continue on to print our invoices, etc.